Every person we meet has a story to tell, a background that shapes who they are. Yet, how often do we take the time to truly understand these stories? It's time to meet the people in the background, to listen to their experiences, and to learn from their journeys. In doing so, we not only enrich our own lives, but also foster a deeper sense of connection and empathy with those around us. The unseen narratives are the untold stories that shape individuals' lives, often overlooked or misunderstood. These narratives are the threads of experiences, struggles, and triumphs that weave the fabric of our society. When we take the time to delve into these stories, we uncover a rich tapestry of diversity and resilience. Each person carries within them a unique narrative, shaped by their upbringing, culture, and life experiences. These narratives, though unseen, play a significant role in shaping their perspectives, beliefs, and actions. By acknowledging and understanding these unseen narratives, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the complexities of human existence. Moreover, recognizing these narratives allows us to cultivate empathy and compassion for others. We begin to see beyond the surface and recognize the humanity in each individual. This understanding fosters a sense of connection and solidarity, bridging the gaps that often divide us. In essence, exploring the unseen narratives is an invitation to deepen our understanding of the human experience. It is a reminder that everyone has a story worth telling, and that by listening, we can enrich our own lives and the lives of others. Embracing diversity is about more than just tolerating differences. It's about celebrating the unique qualities that make each individual special. It's about recognizing that diversity enriches our lives, broadens our perspectives, and strengthens our communities. When we embrace diversity, we open ourselves up to a world of new experiences and ideas. We learn to appreciate the beauty of different cultures, traditions, and ways of life. We also become more empathetic and understanding as we come to realize that everyone's journey is unique and valid. Furthermore, embracing diversity is essential for building a more inclusive and equitable society. It allows us to break down barriers and create spaces where everyone feels welcome and valued. It also fosters creativity and innovation, as diverse perspectives lead to new and exciting solutions to complex problems. In essence, embracing diversity is a mindset, a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones and embrace the richness of the world around us. It's a commitment to inclusivity, understanding, and respect, and it's essential for creating a brighter and more harmonious future for all. Finding common ground is about seeking out shared experiences and values that unite us despite our differences. It's about recognizing that, at our core, we all share the same fundamental desires for happiness, love, and belonging. By focusing on these commonalities, we can bridge divides and foster understanding and empathy. One of the key benefits of finding common ground is that it helps to break down barriers and build connections between people who may otherwise feel isolated or misunderstood. When we focus on what unites us rather than what divides us, we create a sense of belonging and unity that can transcend cultural, religious, and ideological differences. Moreover, finding common ground is essential for resolving conflicts and building peace. By finding shared values and goals, conflicting parties can work together to find mutually beneficial solutions. This approach promotes dialogue and collaboration, leading to more sustainable and harmonious outcomes. In essence, finding common ground is a powerful tool for building bridges between people and fostering a more inclusive and compassionate society. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we are all part of the same human family, and by working together, we can create a world where everyone feels valued and respected. Cultivating empathy is a transformative practice that allows us to truly understand and connect with others on a deeper level. It involves stepping into someone else's shoes, seeing the world through their eyes, and feeling what they feel. By cultivating empathy, we not only enrich our own lives, but also contribute to a more compassionate and understanding society. Empathy begins with listening, truly listening, to others without judgment or preconceived notions. It involves being fully present and attentive, seeking to understand the emotions and experiences behind their words. This act of listening is a powerful form of validation, showing others that their feelings and experiences are valid and worthy of consideration. Furthermore, cultivating empathy requires us to practice kindness and compassion in our interactions with others. It involves treating everyone with respect and dignity, regardless of their background or beliefs. By doing so, we create a more inclusive and empathetic world where everyone feels valued and understood. In essence, cultivating empathy is a journey of self-discovery and growth. It allows us to break down barriers, build connections, and foster a more harmonious and compassionate society for all. Appreciating life's tapestry is about recognizing the beauty and complexity of the world around us. It's about understanding that each thread in the tapestry represents a unique individual, each with their own story, struggles, and triumphs. When we take the time to appreciate this tapestry, we gain a deeper understanding of the interconnectedness of all things and our place within the larger whole. One of the key aspects of appreciating life's tapestry is embracing diversity. Just as a tapestry is made up of many different threads, so too is our world made up of many different people, cultures, and experiences. By embracing this diversity, we can learn from each other and grow as individuals and as a society. Moreover, appreciating life's tapestry is about finding beauty in the ordinary. It's about seeing the extraordinary in the everyday and finding joy in the simple moments. When we take the time to appreciate the small things in life, we cultivate a sense of gratitude and mindfulness that can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful existence. In essence, appreciating life's tapestry is about embracing the fullness of life, the highs and the lows, the joys and the sorrows. It's about recognizing that each thread, no matter how small, contributes to the beauty of the whole. When we learn to appreciate life's tapestry, we learn to see the world in a new light, with a greater sense of wonder and appreciation for all that it has to offer. Acknowledging hidden contributions involves recognizing the often overlooked efforts and impact of individuals who work behind the scenes or in less visible roles. It's about understanding that everyone plays a part in the larger tapestry of life, and that these hidden contributions are just as valuable as those that are more visible. One of the key aspects of acknowledging hidden contributions is showing gratitude. By expressing appreciation for the efforts of others, no matter how small or unseen, we validate their contributions and show that they are valued and important. Moreover, acknowledging hidden contributions is about promoting inclusivity and equality. It's about recognizing that everyone has something valuable to offer, regardless of their position or status. By shining a light on these hidden contributions, we can help to level the playing field and create a more equitable society. In essence, acknowledging hidden contributions is a reminder that everyone deserves to be seen and appreciated for the unique contributions they make to the world. It's about fostering a culture of gratitude and inclusivity, where everyone's efforts are recognized and celebrated. Celebrating unsung heroes is about recognizing and honoring the individuals who quietly and selflessly make a difference in the world. These are the people who work tirelessly behind the scenes, often without recognition or praise, yet their contributions have a profound impact on the lives of others. One of the key aspects of celebrating unsung heroes is highlighting their stories and achievements. By sharing their stories, we not only honor their contributions, but also inspire others to follow in their footsteps and make a difference in their own way. Moreover, celebrating unsung heroes is about showing gratitude. It's about acknowledging the sacrifices and efforts of these individuals and thanking them for their dedication and service. In essence, celebrating unsung heroes is a reminder that heroism comes in many forms, and that it is not always flashy or glamorous. It's about recognizing the everyday acts of kindness and compassion that make the world a better place, and honoring those who embody these qualities. Learning from the margins is about recognizing the value of perspectives and voices that are often marginalized or overlooked. It's about understanding that these perspectives offer unique insights and can challenge our assumptions and broaden our understanding of the world. One of the key aspects of learning from the margins is humility. It requires us to acknowledge that we don't have all the answers, and that there is much we can learn from those whose experiences differ from our own. By listening to these marginalized voices, we can gain a deeper understanding of the complexities of the world and our place within it. Moreover, learning from the margins is about empathy and compassion. It's about recognizing the struggles and challenges faced by marginalized communities and seeking to understand their experiences. By doing so, we can become more empathetic and compassionate individuals and work towards creating a more just and inclusive society. In essence, learning from the margins is a call to expand our horizons and open our minds to new ideas and perspectives. It's about recognizing the inherent worth and dignity of all individuals and acknowledging that everyone has something valuable to contribute to the world. Building bridges of understanding is about connecting with others on a deeper level, despite differences in background, culture, or beliefs. It's about recognizing the humanity in each individual and finding common ground upon which to build meaningful relationships. One of the key aspects of building bridges of understanding is communication. It involves listening with an open mind and a willingness to learn from others. By engaging in honest and respectful dialogue, we can bridge the gaps that often separate us and find mutual understanding. Moreover, building bridges of understanding is about empathy. It's about putting ourselves in the shoes of others and trying to see the world from their perspective. By empathizing with others, we can develop a greater sense of compassion and connection. In essence, building bridges of understanding is a transformative process that requires patience, empathy, and a willingness to step outside of our comfort zones. It's about recognizing that we are all interconnected, and that by building bridges with others, we can create a more compassionate and harmonious world for all.